Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and I'm the style coach. Today's video is an unboxing video from Sezane. I haven't opened anything yet, so you're going to get my first reactions about what I ordered. Just a few key pieces for autumn winter this coming season, which are very carefully selected according to my own color palette. So you'll notice that everything I bought is within the winter color palette. I also made choices according to my body shape and my style personality, and to match everything else that's going on in my wardrobe. So I don't buy often, but when I do, I make sure that I make all the right choices by ticking all those boxes, and I encourage my clients to do the same thing. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee, then you can do so by supporting me through super thanks. It's all very much appreciated. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this package from Sezane. As always, there's so much thought gone into the design of this. I just love it's all these little thoughtful details that make it feel higher end, and it's all more of an experience than just buying a piece of clothing. So I kind of like that. As silly as it sounds, I still kind of like it. Okay. The attention to detail in this packaging, I just love it. And it's all these little details, as I said, the attention to detail, that's what makes an experience something that's, you know, higher end. And really feel the weight of these items as well. So what I'll do is I'll show you what I've bought, but I am going to do a little bit of a try on as well, so you can see size comparisons and how the items fit. Okay, so item number one that I bought is the Max shirt in the denim material. You know me, if you've been watching these videos, I love a denim shirt. The one I have is pretty washed out. I've had it for so long. I got so much wear out of it. I think it's something that everybody needs in their wardrobe. So this is the Chemise Max. It looks kind of roomy, not gonna lie, it looks kind of oversized. So I bought this in a 38. And usually I would take somewhere between on top, well, yeah, usually 36 to 38. That's a UK 8 or 10, US 4 to a 6, I believe. So there we go. Love that color of denim. Like the button details. Very pretty, but I'm curious to see what the size is like once I put that on. Next up are the Damon or Damon Pantalon, the trousers in black. So they're a cropped style. These are very heavyweight, I've got to say. They're going to be great for going into autumn, winter, and I can imagine them wearing with the boot. Very excited to try these on. You know, it's something that you think I'd have already in my wardrobe, just a classic solid pair of black trousers. But apart from a pair of black jeans, I don't really actually have any. Oh no, I'm wearing some. But they're a very different style. The ones I'm wearing are super wide legged. They're quite a retro feel. Let me show them to you a little bit. So very wide leg, kind of 1950s vibe to them. I bought them in a shop in Cambridge in the UK, and I love them. They're so roomy, but these will be, I feel like a smarter pair of trousers, which will be great. There's a little thread pulling on the back, which is not good. We'll take a closer look at that later. And again, I bought these in a 38. Next up, in a separate package, another pair of trousers and another top. I think I bought a cardigan this time. Yes, I bought the cardigan, the Basil cardigan, gilet basil, whatever you want to call it. And I bought this in a small. I know their knitwear tends to size up. They tend to run large. So I did go for a small instead of the extra small or medium. Still looks pretty roomy, I gotta say, but it's very soft. I like the balloon style of sleeves on them. Long cuff, I like that. A V-neck with matching button detail. I'm excited to try that on. I think they'll be really cozy, and it's a really nice color as well. Now the wool from that jumper has transferred onto my next item. I'll have to give those a little bit of a brush down. That's okay. So the next pair of trousers are jeans. I've never bought jeans from Sezane, so I'm curious to know how these will work out. And again, they're black and a cropped style, kind of a wider leg, which is a different style for me from what I've got in any of my collections, really, to be honest. Size, I got a 38 again. I mean, they're just a classic pair. I can imagine me wearing these with my black boots. So that's what I've bought, but let's see what they look like when I try them on. By the way, if anybody's curious, I'm also wearing Sezane today. This is a blouse. I've tucked in the collar just to give it a bit of a different look. Let me show you. There you are. So it's got a little collar, silk. Love it. Okay, let's try on. First thing I'm going to try on are the cropped black trousers, the Damon trousers. Damon? Damon. I had really high hopes for these trousers. I don't think they hit the mark because typical for anybody who's an hourglass or pear shape, when you get items to fit on the thighs, what sometimes can happen is that you end up with an awful lot of gaping at the back, like these do. And there's quite a bit of distance there. So sometimes a belt will do the trick, but there's no belt loops on these trousers. So the other alternative is to get them altered. And I've got to ask myself, well, am I willing to do that? I'm not sure I love them enough. So I think these might be in the returns. So sad. On to the next item. I thought these jeans were going to be too small at first, but they're actually okay once they're on. You can kind of expect that from jeans that are 100% cotton. They tend to be a bit stiff at first, but they do loosen up over time. So with that in mind, these are a better fit than the trousers were. Still a little bit of gaping at the back, not as much, I've got to say. However, the jeans have belt loops, and with the gaping not being too bad, a belt will be able to fix that. So kind of like the jeans. Let's go for one of the tops now. Okay, I'm loving this cardigan. It's really warm, probably too warm for a day like today in September, but that's okay. Winter's coming. I love this color, and it's a little bit boxy and oversized, but you know what? Sometimes that's good to have. When you don't want to wear something so tight, but you can kind of still tuck it in and give yourself some definition along the way and roll up the sleeves and all of that. So yeah, I think I'm loving the cardigan. Let's try the shirt on. So just as it is without any styling, it is oversized, but I'm not hating it at all. I think with a little tuck in, deciding how to wear it, it's going to look really well. Let me try a few things. Okay, so with a little bit of tweaking, tucking in, rolling up the sleeves, I think I'm kind of loving the denim shirt. Could I have gone down a smaller size? Yeah, I think so. It would have definitely given a different look. I wanted something that was quite relaxed anyway, so I'm kind of okay with that. I've been wanting one of the Max shirts for a while. I was toying between the white one and the denim, so the white one might be in my future. But I think I haven't really made my mind up about the jeans. I think I'm going to have to take more of a serious look at them and figure out whether they're going to stay with me or not. But I'm pretty happy with the cardigan. I'm pretty happy with the Max shirt. The trousers, definitely the more formal style trousers, the Damon trousers, they won't be staying with me. There's just too much work to be done in order for them to work. So they're going to have to go back. But the jeans are undecided. Let me know what you think. Have you got anything from Sezane this season? What did you think of the items that I've got? let me know. I was just packing up for the returns and I found a little gift from Sezane, which I missed out on when I was recording the video. It's a little perfume. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Does it smell any good? That's the question. It's very florally. I tend to go for something a little bit sweeter, but not bad. Thank you. So the final decision on the returns is I'm going to return the 2 pairs of trousers because they're just not quite the right fit, including the jeans, and the Max shirt. While I really like the Max shirt, it is oversized and the 38 is just too oversized. I think a 36 will still give me an oversized look, but it won't look like I'm wearing my granddad's shirt. So I'm going to return that, but buy the Max shirt in the future for sure. I'm going to keep the purple cardigan. I think that's going to be really cozy. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week with another video. Take care. Bye bye.